you watched my last video, my chit chat get ready with me, and you were wondering how I had that high, fiery red ponytail, blah, 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 blah. Today I'm going to show you how I did that. I know I did a video on my channel maybe like a year ago, and yeah, it was last year I believe, and it was the orange high pony, and all of y'all was so upset because you were like, turn around, why didn't you turn around? We didn't see the back, we can't see the back. I don't know how I forgot the back. I just assumed that everybody knew how the back looked. Today's your lucky day, because I'm going to show you how I did it step by step again with the red wig this time, a long red wig. I don't want to talk too much, so let's just get right into it. The wig of choice today is the lace front wig, Super Miami Girl, in the color red, and it is by Red Carpet Premiere. So yeah, the color's red. It's heat resistant fiber. It has heat resistant fiber. It is from Red Carpet, but also Main Concept, and this is how it looks. So the lace is like a tan, but because it's not my exact color, I'm just going to go ahead and take my foundation and color the lace first. I'm just going to take a little bit of my Fenty Beauty foundation like that and just do a few little droplets, simply like this. Just color the lace. Now the lace is like very hard. This lace is really hard, y'all. Like, it's like crispity crunchity hard, which is what I don't like, but what can you do? I didn't make this wig, because if I did, it wouldn't be crispity crunchity. It's getting in there with the foundation first things first. I'm going to put her on my head, and then we're going to work on like the slaying and the thinning, and you guys know my methods, you know. You're subscribed. Thumbs up, please, if you are. Thumbs up. So this wig particular has 3 combs in the front, just like that. 1, 2, 3 on top of the wig, and then it has a comb on the back. Okay, and it has 2 straps, so I'm actually going to strap it up now if I'm putting this in a high pony. Oh, but wait, we're not going to do that yet. We're not going to do that yet. So as you guys can see, right, this has lace around the front. It has no lace in the back. So if you wanted to put this in a high ponytail, there's no lace in the back. So how would you do that? How would you do that? Like, what would you use to hold the wig down? Now, I'm bald. I have a TWA. I have extra lace that I bought from the beauty supply store. I'm going to take the extra lace and I'm going to sew some extra lace on the back of the wig. Just a little bit. Because I want to see something. Now, this is really me winging it. Okay, I'm winging it. If it come out perfect at the end, kudos, but I'm winging it. We're going to try it today because I want to put this in a high ponytail, but it's very difficult to. Back then I had hair, so the clip fit into the back of my head and it was good. I don't have hair now, so I need to glue it down. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to put your wig inside out on a mannequin stand. The stand you can get from Amazon.com, eBay. It's just your standard mannequin stand. It's probably the most you'll pay is like 25 bucks, but it's worth it because you need this to, you know, do what you need to do for your wigs to get it popping. So, okay. I'm gonna take this Swiss lace. This is how it looks. I got this from the beauty supply store. It says easy and affordable way to make your own wig, Swiss lace for wig making. 15 by 15 big size, up to 12 parts. Do it yourself, save money, make it your own style. Excellent marketing. And I still got the price on the back, and it was $2.49. Some lace from here, and it's a big sheet of lace. I think I did use some. Right, it's a really big sheet of lace, and it looks like that. So it's really thin, which is good because on the back of your neck you don't want anything hard because it's gonna hurt. You want something soft. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna cut off a little bit, enough to fit like in this perimeter right here, because all you're gonna really do is just use like this much right here to glue on the back of your neck. I'm gonna take 2 T-pins and I'm gonna just like apply the T-pins on the sides just so that it holds it down while I'm sewing this across. I think I'm gonna start it right here on the side, and I'm just gonna push a T-pin in right there. And then for this, I think I'm gonna stop right here where I see the, yeah, I'm gonna stop like right there. I already threaded my needle. If you guys need to figure out how to do that, I have a video on how I make wigs and I show you. So I'm just gonna start sewing this pretty much into the cap. You know, you have to really be careful because, I mean, well, you can really sew it into it. It's not that hard. So I'm just going to push it in like that, and then I'm gonna just pull it out. actually just lay down the frontal of this wig so that it can stay on my head. So I'm just going to comb all of this hair back like that. Okay, and I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to cut off a little bit of lace, leave about 1 inch on. I'm going to take my actually I'm not going to take my Got2b. I'm not using my blow dryer today because my dog barks when I use my blow dryer. And it takes a while for the Got2b sometimes to get tacky. So I'm just going to be using my Great White Soft Bond Walker Tape Lace Glue. And Tokyo Style uses this, so I recommend it. I'm going to like lift up the lace. I'm actually just going to pull this lace wig back and just kind of apply some like that. You can do the stocking method if you want. I'm not doing that today just because this video was kind of like last minute. And I'm not keeping this wig on for too long, so I don't feel like I need to like do all of that extra stuff. Yeah, I kind of went OD on the glue, but I just really want this to stick, so I'm just gonna fan it a little bit. Woo! So I'm gonna take the wig and I'm just going to apply it on my face. Now it does have white residue, so don't worry, it's not going to dry white though. It's just white right now, but it's not going to dry white. Take my, this is a brush that I got from the beauty convention in Vegas, and it's the Kiss Red Edge Control Brush. Has a brush on this side and a comb on that side. They gave it to me, which I'm glad because I used to always use combs. So that's kind of how I do baby hairs. I kind of just like hold it down and then I go up. I do baby hairs new now, y'all, so I gotta do an updated baby hair routine. Let me know if y'all want an updated baby hair routine. I need an updated one because I do it way different now than when I used to do it before, and it's because of this brush. I've been getting it way better. Went ahead and I kind of just did my baby hairs off camera, so I just spraying the edges to make sure everything stays on good. This high ponytail, this is what you want to do. You want to get up. You want to comb the back of the wig. Comb on this side. Just be real careful. Alright? I'm going to try to do this as neat as possible. So, just going to take this brush and just brush up a little bit wherever I see like any holes or anything that's not like properly sitting up. I'm going to put some glue on the back of my neck. And I'll turn around in a second. Let me just put some in the back of my neck so I can see what's going on back here. Now the only way to do this way that I'm doing is to put glue on the back of your neck. You have to. Because that's the only way this lace wig is going to stay down. As you can see, I have the glue on the back of my neck. I have the lace, and the back is messed up right here. As I said, I'm going to do the ponytail over, so do not worry about it. But yeah, so this is the back so far. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take, okay, let me see if I can see. It's so hard. I'm going to take this excess lace. Okay. Alright, so I'm just going to hold it right now. It does look like it's working. It does look like it's staying on in the back. So, which is a good thing. So I'm just going to hold it down like that. Hey guys, and that is all for this look. This is the finishing look. Now it's not as tight as I wanted it to be, only because with synthetic wigs it's really hard to get it neatly. The way the wig is made, and y'all know this, it's not me, it's the wig. Y'all know I'm talented as a mug, you know me. But the way the wig is designed, like certain parts don't just sit up nice and neat. The way they construct the wig, especially on the sides, will come out a little bulky, but it's fine. I mean, not every wig has to be plastered down to your head. Now on these sides is also, like I said, the way the wig is constructed, you would have to get a lot of bobby pins that grip, and you would have to like kind of squeeze that in and just get them all to grip up like that, nice and neat. Turn around for y'all. Hopefully you guys can see. So the back came out pretty good. See, what I would do, I would just take a little bit of hairs, and of course I would cut these because they're really long. So you want to take a little bit of hairs in the back, cut some down a little bit, so that, you know, it's not noticeably long, and the back stayed down perfectly. As you can see, it's not lifting up at all. It's stuck on my head. Tape, great white lace glue. This definitely works for the back of the neck, and the lace, extra lace that I showed you guys, will definitely help keep that, because it's not a thick lace, it's really, really thin. You don't want to see the lace. Now I did put a little bit of makeup on the lace in case you see the lace a little bit. It kind of blends in with my skin. Yeah, that is all for this video. Let me know what you guys think below. I love you so much for tuning in to my long talk throughs, because I talk a lot. Some of y'all tell me I talk a lot and y'all get blocked for that, because I didn't ask for that, because I tell y'all I do talk a lot, you know. That's all for this video. I love y'all. Get this video a thumbs up. What else y'all want to see? Like, what's good? What's good? What else y'all want to see? What else? Let me know. Talk to me, people. Talk to me in the comment section. Don't be shy. I don't bite. All right. I'll see y'all in my next video. I love y'all. Subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, because I love when y'all be liking my stuff, and I love when y'all be commenting. I be like, ah. So follow me on Instagram, because I love interacting with y'all on Instagram. I be looking at y'all Instagrams too. Y'all know that though, because I be stalking y'all. All right. I love y'all. I'll see y'all in my next video. But until then, keep slaying.